Hello, my friends! Today's warm-up is going to be slow and easy and gentle. Not like Olaf. This is a great warm-up for when you've been singing a lot and need to sing more, or if you just need a gentle entry. While I have your attention, now I have a Vocal Warmup app. So I hope you'll check that out in the About section below and take me with you all year long for less than half the price of a single voice lesson. Let's get started with a little extra attention to alignment, breath, and relaxation. Do a body scan and release any tension you don't need, especially in the shoulders, neck, back, jaw, and tongue. Let's breathe in and do a gentle sigh down. And again. Once more. Now, with gently rounded lips, let's sing on coo, like coo. I encourage you to move a little bit as you sing. Here we go. Coo. Now let's do a glide on either a lip trill or a zh sound. We can sing. Here we go. Moving your attention now to a gently moving jaw, let's sing on Fah-ee, like Fah-ee, and go. Let's sing loo 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 on a pentascale, like loo 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 loo, and go. Loo 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 loo. up to a warm ah sound on sa la sa. We will sing sa la sa la sa. Your turn. Sa la sa la sa. 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 I'd like to move now to a very rounded O as we sing bo, like bo. Allow the air to gently guide the sound with ease. Bo, bo, We're going to glide now on su, like su. Your turn. Su. Su. Let's descend again, this time on vah vah, like vah vah vah, and go vah vah vah, vah vah Let's finish up with another triad arpeggio. We'll sing this on za, like za. Here we go. Za, 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 za. and let's glide down one more time. Thanks so much for singing with me today. If you're ready for something a little bit more challenging or vigorous, I would recommend looking at my vocal workout playlist. And don't forget to check out my app. I will see you next time.